Hi buddy, good evening. I'm doing whatever Bugforge Ottergram. The hint set XSS what you're looking for is in the target local storage. Of course, you sign up. I remember this room before because there was that message last time I was working on it and didn't know what it wasn't there. But today it seemed they giving us the hint for it. You can see the endpoint we're talking about the message. This one. You can send a message. For example, you can select for example, I can select admin, or you can even select it yourself. I will show you, for example, I can say alert. What that script? Alert one. No, it will not work. This one. If you send it like that. You go to network, you can see post, edit requests, you see how it look. Because if you go to the JavaScript code, you see what happened here, it did replacing. There's a filtering side request of the JavaScript. But for us, you can use web or something, you can bypass this filter in there. You can just edit inside. No, we didn't need this. I don't think even we needed remove that thing. This one to admin, I can set it to myself for because I'm number 4 and it will pop up there. You can't view it for some reason. If I go, where is my profile? I don't have messages. It doesn't show the message, but in any case, let's go back to our story. So we know we send the content. So basically, we can send our payload somehow here. We need to send either to admin or something. The admin is number 1 because if you go to that request, it is an endpoint look for users, and if you look for the user response, you can admin is number 2. So we know is number 2. So let me go back to my messages, the one that we sent before. That's the broken one. But that's fine, we can use this one as a template, so it's sending to API message. So basically we just need to send a correct payload. We can use a couple of them. We can either send through the console or send a message. So to the medium we can do, you need to use your webhook. I have my webhook here, webhook.site. And then we can just use this payload. For example, we used it before for another same type of fetch request webhook because the local storage is we remember we say this S2, so we can distinguish between two payloads, so we know which one is working. We can send this one response is message fine. We can go also to the console, remove this one, and we can do the fetch if you want to go with the console. The concept API, we send it to ID2, and that's our payload. We can this one remember this one S1. So if you run it, send it correctly, and we have a response. Now if I go now, we got one, we got S2. This is S2. Let me zoom this one so everybody can see. I got S2. So S2, where is S2? S2 is which one we got? We got this one. We didn't get this one yet, but we got this one. Let's play with this one for now to confirm. And we got the value base 64. If I copy this one and then go to chef, it's a base 64, and you can see it's JSON. You don't need to do that one because you can see it's an admin JSON to admin. I don't need this one. I need to switch it off. I need just the JSON file. And then I can go to my storage and I go to my local and then remove that one, put the JSON, and of course refresh the page, the front page, and if you refresh it you get the flag for today. And let's see if we got the second one. The second one doesn't work. For the sake, why it doesn't work? Why it doesn't work, the second one? The console one, they're supposed to work too. Is the token correct? 3415, because I have a problem with the token. 1534, that's correct. This is S1. Why this one doesn't work? Image ID 2. Otherwise, I'm in rate limit. Remember, when your room keep refreshing, you get rate limiting. Let's see if we got a rate limit. We're not in rate limit, so you only get S2. Where is S1 not working? Application ID 2. Image and error. S1. Interesting. It's the same payload. Image SSC on error. Fetch. It's into 1. Let me send it to 2 and 3. Let's see which one will reply. Interesting. I was doing this room, it did work for me fine. I don't know why now it stopped. It's only accepting the S2 one. So it's only accepting this one. Why this one is not working anymore? Interesting. This is frozen or something, but at least this one is working, so I would see why it's not working for another time, but let's not waste everybody's time. The request was sent, so message sent. Request is image SRC on error, a webhook site, S1. Why doesn't? It's only that it like is blocked because it's supposed to loop. Oh, we got something new, but it's also S2. No, we got now this S1. This is the S2. So both of them are working. You just need to wait for it. S2 and S1. So both of them working. You just need to wait for them, guys. Oof, sorry for a moment said this way. So you only have this one or you have this one. So one of the two, this request. So you have these two. You can use any of them. Is working. And yeah. And we got flag for today. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good night.